Missiles are flying between Iran and Israel, and tensions in the Middle East have reached one of their most dangerous levels in recent years. But this conflict is not just about military strikes or regional rivalry. It has the potential to affect global oil prices, international trades, inflation, and even stock market across the world, including India. So in this video, we will break down what is actually happening between Iran and Israel, the political strategies behind this conflict, how it could impact the global economy, and why investors in India should be paying attention. Because in today's interconnected world, geopolitical conflict rarely stay confined to one region. The conflict between Iran and Israel is not new. In fact, tensions between these two countries have been building for decades. Israel considers Iran one of its biggest security threats, mainly because of Iran's growing military capabilities and its controversial nuclear program. Iran, on the other hand, sees Israel as a hostile power aligned closely with the Western nations, particularly the United States. Over the years, both countries have engaged in indirect conflicts through cyber attacks, intelligence operations, and regional proxy groups. However, recent developments have pushed the situation towards more direct confrontation. Missile strikes, drone attacks, and military alerts across the Middle East have increased fear that the conflict could escalate further. And if it does, the consequences may extend far beyond the region. To understand this conflict properly, we need to look beyond the battlefield. This is not just a military confrontation, it is a geopolitical power struggle. Israel wants to prevent Iran from becoming a nuclear-armed power because that would significantly alter the balance of power in the Middle East. Iran, meanwhile, aims to expand its strategic influence across the region through political alliances and regional partnerships. The Middle East is also extremely important because of its energy resources and global trade routes. For global powers, influences in this region often means influence over energy markets and strategic trade corridors. This is why the conflict attracts attention from countries across the world. If tensions escalate further, other nations may be drawn into the crisis, either directly or indirectly. One of the biggest economic risks lies near a narrow but extremely important waterway, the Strait of Hormuz. This route connects the Persian Gulf to global shipping lanes and is one of the most important energy corridors in the world. Nearly 20% of the world's oil supply passes through this single route. If tension between Iran and Israel disrupts shipping in this region even temporarily, it could create a major shock to global energy markets. Oil prices could surge, and when oil prices rise sharply, the effect spreads quickly through the global economy. Transportation costs increases, manufacturing becomes more expensive, and inflation becomes to rise across multiple countries. For ordinary people, geopolitical conflicts rarely appear directly in their daily lives. Instead, they show up through economic pressure. Higher oil prices leads to increased fuel cost, transportation expenses rise, food prices can increase because supply chains become more expensive. During global uncertainty, investors also move their money towards safe assets like gold, which often pushes gold price higher. So even if someone lives thousands of kilometers away from the conflict zone, the economic consequences can still affect their daily expenses. Let's understand how this can impact the Indian market. For India, one of the biggest concern is oil. India imports a large portion of its crude oil from international markets. If global oil prices rise sharply due to geopolitical tensions, India's import cost increases significantly. That can create inflationary pressure within the economy. In the stock market sector such as airline, transportations and chemical industry may face pressure because their operating cost depends heavily on fuel prices. At the same time, global uncertainty can cause foreign investors to withdraw capital from emerging markets, increasing market volatility. However, some sectors, particularly defense and energy, may see increased interests during such geopolitical tensions. Now, the question comes, what could happen next? So, the future of the Iran-Israel conflicts depend largely on how diplomatic and military developments unfold in the coming weeks and months. If tensions decreases through diplomatic efforts, global market may stabilize quickly. But if the conflict escalates or spreads to other parts of the Middle East, the impact on oil prices, trade routes, and financial market could become much more severe. For investors and policymakers around the world, the key factor to watch will be whether this remains a regional confrontation or evolves into a broader geopolitical crisis. Because history has shown that when conflicts affect energy supply routes, the economic consequences can ripple across the entire global economy. And in today's interconnected world, even a conflict thousands of kilometers away can have direct impact on financial markets, businesses, and everyday life. And with that, our today's discussion comes to an end. Let me know how this video helped you. Like, share, and subscribe. And also don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members. And also follow me on my Instagram for daily quick updates on geopolitics, tradings, and investing related content. Thank you and see you next time.